What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use ManyChat. Now, when you have your account, you'll be having this page. You can see at the top here, account, my templates, API settings, and message reports. As you can see, it also says you don't have a channel, so we'll be taking you through as if you're just signing up for the first time. Of course, in order to use ManyChat, you'll need to add an account to ManyChat. Click on Add New Account, and you'll be taken to this page. You can add your Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram. So in our case, we'll be choosing Facebook Messenger. You can see right here, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Let's go ahead and do that. Then you will need to sign in with Facebook. Go ahead and click sign in with Facebook or your choice. Then after trying to log in, it's going to ask you to continue as, of course, your Facebook name. And we're going to click on continue as your name. And then you're going to choose which account or which pages in your Facebook account you'd like to use. We're going to go ahead and choose this second one right here. Click and continue. Then we're going to choose a business. Go ahead and click on the checkbox. Click and continue. Then once again, click and continue to confirm. And here you can see some permissions that it's going to be having, and you can say save. Then as you can see, you have been connected to ManyChat. Go ahead and say got it. Now, because you use your Facebook account and you selected the page in your Facebook account which you'll be using, it says we found one Facebook page managed by you. And then you're going to click and connect. And then on this page, you can see enable trial and get more value. You have the option to start with free plan or activate the pro trial. So you can go ahead with whichever you may choose. We'll be using start with a free plan. Then here you're going to choose who you're setting this account up for. Go ahead and choose what applies to you. Click on next. Then you could choose another. Who or what is this account about? So choose what applies. Click on next. Choose your category. Now for this question, what do you use your channel you're connecting to ManyChat for? So you need to choose what applies to you as well. We're going to be choosing lead generation and qualification. Of course, you can choose multiple options right here. We're going to be choosing just this one and click on next. How do you plan to use ManyChat as the next question? Then we're going to say automate responses to FAQs and inquiries, or we could also choose capture and qualify leads, right? Just so you know that these are options you can choose as multiple options, right? So go ahead and click on next. Then here you get to choose the tools you use. And we have these options right here. And you'll need to choose at least one of them. Then click on next. And you can see congratulations, your page is connected, right? So click on let's get started. And so you have your ManyChat right here. Then on the left side, you have home contact automation. Now, if you want to use ManyChat for automation, you just simply need to click on right here. Of course, you have your home, and here you can see automate conversations with AI, capture customer data with a lead magnet, or use a quiz to qualify leads. Now, these are just some templates, but you can go ahead and click on explore all templates. But since we're trying to show you how to use ManyChat, you need to know that this is your dashboard, this is your home, and then you have your contacts, automation as we mentioned before, the live chat option, broadcasting, and settings. All these are to help you to set your preferences up where the need might be. So for this tutorial, we'll be showing you one example of one of the best ways to use ManyChat. Now we have start here, and this is basically some templates. We're going to click on explore all templates. And here you can see automate conversations, use AI to answer all your FAQs, redirect customers to your website. So we're going to be choosing this one right here. And here it says redirect customers to your website. How does it work? Create a keyword. Contact sends a message with one of these keywords. Then automation sends a link to a website or some particular page. So we're going to go ahead and use this template. Great, so here we have our flow card, and you can see these lines helping you to see the next stage after each step. So to make this simple, you have your trigger. Now a trigger is an event that starts your automation. Click to add a trigger. So we're going to use the new trigger, and then once the trigger is activated, it will send this message to the user, and when they click on the website, it's going to take them to the website. So this is what you can use ManyChat for. So we're going to click on new trigger. And then these are triggers. User clicks a Facebook ad, user comment on your post, user sends a message, user clicks a referral link, right? So let's say user sent a message. I'm going to click on that. So here we're going to be choosing detect specific words in a message. Of course, you could use recognize intention of a message, but this is on the ManyChat Pro option. We're going to choose detect words. We're going to add keywords. We're going to say I'm interested. We're going to say sign me up. Or we could just simply add a keyword, yes. Right? Now it says keywords are not case sensitive. Example, hello and hello are recognized as the same. That's really fine. We don't want to add a message condition. So we can see I'm interested, sign me up, and yes. So if the message contains any of this, it's going to trigger the automation. Click on create. So you can see right here, these are some of the triggers we just added. And if the person says anything like that, they're going to send a message, hey, the first name of the person, excited you're interested in our product. You can find all information about all items on our website by clicking on the link below. Then you can click on go to website, and this would mean that you want to add your website link. As we clicked on it, it took us to this sidebar, which just released from the left to the right. You can see button title, and it says go to website. And when this button is pressed, the website URL and the view size will be followed, right? So you'll need to put in your website URL right here and then say done. And then when that happens, it will be taking them to this website. Then at the top, you can click on preview. Then when you say go to website, it's going to take them to a website. Of course, we're using a dummy website and that's why we're here. But of course, if you want to change this, you can click on go to website once again and say google.com. And this is just to help you see that this works. And we're going to say done. We're going to click on restart because we just made some changes. And when we click on go to website, it takes us to Google. So if you put your website address right there, your potential clients are bound to get to your website. And of course, when you're done with your preview, you can say set live. And once you set this live and they have some interactions on your page and they follow any of these keywords, they will receive an automation. As you can see, this is just one template out of many others. Go ahead and use what you prefer and follow the instructions to add what you need to add in order to have your ManyChat automation set up. So this is how to use ManyChat.